problem I have. So there's like a space. I don't think you could see it on camera, but there's like a bump here. So even though I glue it and nail it, there will be always a space like right here that's gonna bother me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut it right here and just like put it that way instead. So yeah, let's get started. I'm done. Yo, oh my god, this part is not bad, but the other ones, I don't know. I wish I had a nail gun. It would be so much easier. With the hammer, it's kind of more difficult. Those are glue that's around it. All this is hammer. I'm gonna get some white paint so I could just paint over it. This is some of the part I cut. Yeah, this is where I messed up a lot. Sometimes the nails, like over here, like the nails doesn't want to go straight, so it bend, and it's just like, yeah. And I do it around here again. Yeah, so I messed up over here. I have a heater around here. I can't like freaking get behind this. I glue it, but the glue's not staying properly. Like, oh, now the glue's hard. Shit. The glue doesn't fit. Doesn't even feel hard. Maybe I could get the hammer to just hammer it a little bit down. That's so annoying. But the glue is hard now, and it's just like, yeah, that's behind the heater. I have a freaking big ass heater. Can't stand this heat, but whatever. I just messed up around, but yeah, I messed up around here. But so far so good, guys. I don't know. I think I did an okay job and stuff. This is how it looks now. You won't even see it. Once I paint it, like, you can't even tell. Like, you know, like, who do you think I am? Here is a mess, but yo. I still have one that's left over and just a couple little ones and stuff. But so far so good. I'm proud of myself. And these are the products that I use. I use a hammer, some glue, which this glue suck, nails, and the saw. And that's it. Yep. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming up. Bye.